That is literally the most important part about blogging, and something, I mean, I have SEO go through my head probably at least every 3 hours. So if you don't know what SEO is, it's search engine optimization, and there are certain things that you need to do within your website, within your blog posts, on your pictures, etc., so that Google or the search engine you're using can appropriately see what you're writing about and therefore rank your post higher and show it to more people. So there is so many things that you can do within SEO. There's so much information on it on Google, on YouTube video, or search for specific videos in SEO. My slight plug, but again, there's so many free resources, but my first course, Perfecting Blogging, goes over our entire SEO strategy and everything we do, from like a website, front of page, in the actual blog post, on the pictures, etc.